everyone. We are the sons of Yeshua, come fi bless up your land. So hold up on the hand upon your loved one, and let them know about the Father, Son, and Holy One. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and never let the devil infect these dirty lies. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and hear them with the truth. The prize is Jesus Christ. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and never let the devil infect these dirty lies. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and hear them with the truth. The truth is Jesus Christ. Living in this world, Lord, we face a lot of trouble. Living in Hawaii, name my people, they must struggle. Some people do drugs and alcohol, and some of them top bubbles. Some try their best, and some of them are fumble. A lot of them just wake up and they living day by day. A lot of them go sleep and they don't even pray. To every boy and girl and every husband and wife, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and never let the devil infect these dirty lies. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and hear them with the truth. The prize is Jesus Christ. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and never let the devil infect these dirty lies. Lord, I'm gonna keep my eyes upon the prize, and hear them with the truth. The truth is Jesus Christ. Lord, have mercy. Whoa, oh. Lord, have mercy upon my soul. Lord, have mercy. Whoa, oh. Lord, have mercy upon my soul. Lord, have mercy. Whoa, oh. Lord, have mercy upon my soul. Lord, have mercy. Whoa, oh. Lord, have mercy upon my soul. Some going up, some going down. Some of them going round and round. Some is lost, some is found. Some of them still being clowns. Nonetheless, I try my best to be the best that I can be. Loving Christ, my wife, my kids, and enemies. So when you feel like giving up,